In this video, we'll look at how Rafay can make log aggregation for Kubernetes applications painless. Timely access to application logs is critical for operational visibility, that is to make sure whether the application is working as expected, and also for ongoing application health monitoring, that is to make sure if something has gone wrong with the application. Application logs are typically the closest to the underlying issue and therefore can provide extremely rich context that will help the developer get to the bottom of the issue quickly. For applications deployed to Kubernetes environments, logging can become complicated. Some of the issues that have to be dealt with are containers can crash, pods may be evicted, nodes can die. Kubernetes can schedule your container on any available node in the cluster. A typical deployment could have hundreds of servers to monitor. In any scenario, one cannot afford to lose access to application logs. Therefore, it is a common practice to aggregate logs in a central repository independent of the Kubernetes nodes, pods, or containers. Let us look at what the setup and configuration of log aggregation looks like in Rafay. Rafay automatically deploys a node-level logging agent on every node in the cluster. This agent has access to log files of all application containers operating on that node. The collected logs are streamed directly to the customer's AWS S3 bucket, which acts as a highly scalable, resilient log archive service. The logs can then be picked up by the customer's preferred log visualization service, such as Elasticsearch or Splunk, etc. Rafay provides an easy-to-use guided workflow that dramatically improves developer productivity and guarantees operational simplicity. The entire setup and configuration for log aggregation for multi-cluster deployments can be performed in just a few seconds. Application developers also do not have to deal with the learning curve associated with writing and maintaining the necessary YAML configuration for fluentd and other infrastructural components in Kubernetes. These are automatically generated and used behind the scenes by the Rafay platform.